This is tutorial number 38, and it's an intro to solid modeling within Catia V5. To start off, open up a new Catia V5 part file. Now, up to now, all that we've been doing is we've been going over different options and settings in Catia, and we've been looking at the Catia sketcher. So slowly we're building up, and now we're able to use all the things we learned in the options and the settings and all the sketching options. We're now able to create solid parts from those sketches. So to get into the solid modeling in Catia, what you're going to have to do is click Start, the Mechanical Design, and you're going to have to choose the Part Design. Now when you choose the part design, you'll see that all of the solid modeling parts and features are all in the toolbar on the side here. And if you click Insert, you can choose any of the solid modeling features within here. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating sketches to start out, and then we're going to create the solid parts from those sketches. So this is just kind of like a little intro just to let you know that from the sketches that we've been doing, we're going into solid modeling now. So we're going to be creating sketches and then using these tools to create our solid bodies and solid parts. And this concludes our tutorial on the intro to solid modeling within Catia V5.